Just watch me. Just watch me.
Hey guys, morning. I hope everyone's doing amazing. So welcome to my channel. My name's Aish. Thank you so much for being here. I'm doing a completely different type of vlog this time round. I'm in the Canary Islands and I've been here for 6 days, but I am just going to vlog today. And the reason for that is because today I'm going to climb a mountain on Lobos Island, which translated is the Island of Wolves. It's a completely natural island that they have here that you have to get a ferry to go to. And I was there yesterday and it was freaking insane. It's got its own beaches, it's got like a mountain, like I said, that I'm going to be climbing. When I was there yesterday, I felt like I was on a completely different planet and I was the only person there. And they only allow 200 people on the island at one given time. There's a ferry that takes off. The earliest time it goes is 10 AM in the morning. You have to pre-book your ticket, so if you guys do want to go, make sure that you do that online. Also, the island has like a small little restaurant slash tuck shop as well, and there's 2 toilets, one for males and one for females, even though yesterday when I went I had to use the males toilet because the other one was blocked, and I had to wait for half an hour to go to the bathroom. So do make sure to go on the boat, on the ferry if you can. If not, just try to limit your water intake, which is a very stupid suggestion actually, because you will be dehydrated on that island because it's just really sunny. Also, if you can, like, take some food with you, maybe a little packed lunch or something, and just a bottle of water, and also flat shoes, preferably trainers slash hiking boots. Okay, I saw girls there yesterday in sandals and I was just like, oh my god, you're gonna die. And they were tripping all over the place. I'm gonna wear my Reebok Classics today, so it's an action-packed day with me today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. What I'm also gonna do is I haven't really videoed like my hotel too much, but I do have a couple of clips. I'm staying at the Gran Atlantis Bahi Rio hotel here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Without further ado, on to my day.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in it.
Speaking language for you. I speak Indian. Anything. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from London, but my parents
I speak
are
London
Pakistan.
language.
What is it? English? Do you speak Urdu, which is Pakistani language?
Yes, I speak like this.
Go on, say. Oh my god, you actually do! You actually do!
We say to you, we speak.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You'll wait and see if it's worth.
Hey guys, I just got here. Sorry. Do you know what? I saw him yesterday. I was sitting there doing my makeup because I wanted to take some photos for Instagram, and he was just giving me the dirty looks. But yeah, I just got here to the island. Look how beautiful. So today what we're going to do is climb the mountain, because when I got here yesterday I didn't know that you could do that, but yeah, really excited to do so. I'm gonna go and climb him. I don't know, actually, you know what I look like? There's too much sunlight glaring in my face, so I can't see myself. Oh, what's happening here? I can't see myself, just FYI, okay? So excuse me if I look a bit terrible. I hope you can hear me because it's so windy. I might actually have to stop. Okay, so some fun facts about this island. Only 200 people maximum at a time are allowed on this actual island. The lady at the hotel was telling me there used to be a lot more. It used to be like thousands of people that would actually go. They were like ruining its natural habitat and stuff, so they just completely changed the law. So I was told that you could walk this island in an hour, but I was here yesterday and literally I don't know where 4 hours went. You can see there another mountain and also civilization. We don't want to go back to you, we want to stay here. It's just me. Do you know what's amazing? I feel like I'm like Adam and Eve. I feel like I'm the only person on this planet. This is one of the island's beaches. It goes all along here and then there's over there and then people are in the water. I'll show you guys. I kind of want to go there now, but I need to climb this mountain. Oh my god guys, footprints. What bird is this? Oh my god, this is so much fun. And here is my view from my little snuggle house thing. That little one there. Where are you guys running to? That's you. We're getting closer. Oh, what's this? Oh, it smells like cow poo. Wildlife. Oh god, guys, there's two paths. I don't know which one to go down. Should we go down this one or that one? I think this one. This one is the mountain. It's really loud in my eardrums. Guys, I'm dying for the toilet. I just don't know where the bit is where I can actually start climbing it. I have to climb over these rocks and stuff. Oh god. I feel like this is like a death trap. I've just found earth coral. That's not a thing, by the way. Now because I live for that stuff, like I love all that stuff. It just looks like coral underwater. It's amazing. Hello buddies. I wonder what they are. I'm on the moon. Guys, I thought those nails were to protect the plant, but no, I walked further on and I saw some flowers blooming, so I was wrong. But yeah, this is what they looked like before. Cool. Wow, new species. I'm well happy and now I'm ready to climb this thing and I'm freaking tired, I'm exhausted and I'm so thirsty and I need the bathroom. Nevertheless, for the next explorer.
You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight it. Hypnotized, stuck inside my mind because you gotta be something undefined for me.
Oh guys, I'm exhausted. It's incredible, these rocks. I'm a bit scared I'm gonna fall down and like break something. Come on. Come on. Oh shit.
You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight. Replay in my mind of you, things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you and your intention.
It's a really heavy climb. It feels fucking amazing.
I'm not gonna hide. You go,
Do you know what? I can climb up, but going down is going to be a problem. Oh shit. I'm freaking out a little bit because I'm not scared of heights or anything, but I'm getting a bit vertigo-y. Every time I look up to like where I need to go or how long I've got to do, I'm like freaking out a bit. It's just so fucking steep. Oh fuck. I didn't think, I just had to sit down for a second because I'm kind of freaking out a bit. I kept looking up and just seeing how steep it actually is, and I got a bit vertigo-y and like a bit shaky and stuff, and then I haven't eaten today. I've had a little bit of water just because I need the toilet constantly. I'm not gonna prove my brother right, so I'm gonna fucking do this. It's just so steep. I know I've said it like 60 times. Don't look up. Whoa. I feel like I'm gonna eat. Okay. You know what it is? The rocks are really loose as well. Come over you. The rocks are really loose as well on the floor. Some of them are okay, I can do this. There's these weird seagull eel things. Eels? Seagull like hawk thingies are circling the top of this as well. I'll show you when we get up there. Oh my god, this is so not glamorous footage. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh fuck my life. Where's the path? I'm gonna get down this line. GoPro for this type of shit. Ugh. Whoa. It's fine. I do the stairs at the gym. God, this is a heavy. Left, right. Oh my god.
So wild, I'm not gonna fight. Replay in my mind of you, things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you.
Whoa.
It's such a mystery for me. Blow my mind. I just can't deny. Replay in my mind of you. Things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide this. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide. You go free. I love everything we'll be. I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of
Going down.
trace. I wanna be with you always.
Foxy, where are you? I need Foxy. Am I doing this?
And my heart says, sparkle in your. I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better place. I'm in.
Hello there.
Say hello to London. Say hello to London.
Hello. Un saludo para Londres y toda la
Yes. Yes.
people.
In a better. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better place.
Hey guys, I'm so sorry I couldn't vlog the rest of that and my journey back properly just because my battery died. This vlog is probably going to be a bit strange with editing all over the place just because I was working off like one battery. I need to buy a new one for next time. But that was the most amazing experience of my life. I feel like I actually accomplished something really big. I am struggling to go up that mountain just because of the heat. The heat is so intense, right? Like I said, it was just so steep going up, but I'm so glad that I did it in the end and I freaking loved it. I've now got the adventure bug, so if you guys have any suggestions of anywhere you'd like for me to go and try, anything that you'd like to see me kind of do comment down below and let me know because I am totally on that right now. That island is amazing. It's €16 per ticket. Yeah, the people there are so lovely. I was screaming out for Foxy from, you know, SAS, Those Who Dare Win. Like, he's like my guy, right? So I was just going down there. I was like, Foxy, come and save me. Where are you? But he wasn't there. So whatever, forget him. Forget him. I messaged my sister saying that it's so weird because I'm so surprised that they let you go up and down that mountain with no supervision because it, you know, it is really tough. Like, just like I said, in terms of steepness and just the heat and everything. And then there's these wild birds flying around as well. And you're just like, dude, like, am I gonna be attacked? Like, what is this? Anyway, loves, I am ending my vlog here. I'm gonna just pack up and get ready because I'm flying out tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Like I said, do let me know in the comments below if there's any other places that you guys think would be quite good for me to visit. Also, if you do want to see what I got up to for the rest of the time that I was here, I was pretty active on Instagram, so I'm going to have all of the details, all of the pictures and all the videos in the highlight thingy. So I'll have it up and I will put my Instagram down below, but it is at Aish Fayaz, and that's it really. Thank you so much for watching again. Lots of love, my loves. Take care. Bye.